Mastering system maintenance. We're stuck in maintenance mediocrity, but operational excellence is within reach. Where are we currently with our system maintenance program, and what objectives have we established to achieve operational excellence and advance its performance in the future? To achieve operational excellence in system maintenance, it is essential to implement a comprehensive and structured approach that encompasses people, processes, and technology. Here is a detailed solution to enhance the current system maintenance program and advance its performance. Establish a robust asset management framework. A robust asset management framework is the foundation of an effective system maintenance program. It should be based on industry best practices, such as ISO 55001, and tailored to the organization's specific needs. The framework should define the asset management policy, strategy, and objectives, as well as the roles and responsibilities of various stakeholders. Implement a computerized maintenance management system, CMMS. A CMMS is a critical tool for streamlining maintenance operations, improving efficiency, and reducing costs. It should be able to track and manage work orders, schedule maintenance activities, monitor equipment performance, and provide real-time data analytics. The CMMS should be integrated with other systems, such as Enterprise Resource Planning, ERP, and Supply Chain Management, SCM, systems, to ensure seamless data exchange. Develop a maintenance strategy. A maintenance strategy should be developed to optimize maintenance activities and minimize downtime. It should be based on the asset's criticality, failure modes, and maintenance requirements. The strategy should include various maintenance techniques, such as predictive, preventive, and corrective maintenance, as well as reliability-centered maintenance, RCM, and total productive maintenance, TPM. Define performance metrics and key performance indicators, KPIs. To measure the effectiveness of the system maintenance program, it is essential to define performance metrics and KPIs. These should include metrics such as mean time between failures, MTBF, mean time to repair, MTTR, overall equipment effectiveness, OEE, and maintenance backlog. KPIs should be regularly reviewed and analyzed to identify areas for improvement. Implement a continuous improvement program. A continuous improvement program should be implemented to identify and address opportunities for improvement. This program should include root cause analysis, RCA, and failure modes and effects analysis, FMEA, to identify and mitigate potential failures. It should also include training and development programs to enhance the skills and knowledge of maintenance personnel. Optimize maintenance scheduling. Maintenance scheduling is critical to ensure that maintenance activities are performed efficiently and effectively. A maintenance scheduling process should be developed to optimize maintenance activities, minimize downtime, and reduce overtime. The process should take into account equipment availability, resource allocation, and spare part availability. Develop a spare parts management strategy. A spare parts management strategy should be developed to ensure that spare parts are available when needed. The strategy should include inventory management, procurement, and storage and handling procedures. It should also include a system for tracking spare part usage and monitoring inventory levels. Implement a predictive maintenance program. A predictive maintenance program should be implemented to predict equipment failures and perform maintenance activities before a failure occurs. This program should include techniques such as vibration analysis, thermal imaging, and oil analysis. It should also include condition-based maintenance, where maintenance activities are performed based on the equipment's condition. Enhance maintenance technician skills and knowledge. Maintenance technicians should possess the necessary skills and knowledge to perform maintenance activities efficiently and effectively. Training programs should be developed to enhance their skills and knowledge in areas such as troubleshooting, repair, and maintenance procedures. Conduct regular audits and assessments. Regular audits and assessments should be conducted to evaluate the effectiveness of the system maintenance program. These should include internal audits, external audits, and assessments by industry experts. The results of these audits and assessments should be used to identify areas for improvement and implement corrective actions. Implement a change management process. A change management process should be implemented to ensure that changes to the system maintenance program are properly managed and controlled. This process should include procedures for requesting changes, assessing the impact of changes, and implementing and verifying changes. Develop a document management system. A document management system should be developed to manage and control maintenance-related documents, such as maintenance procedures, technical manuals, and repair histories. The system should ensure that documents are up-to-date, accurate, and easily accessible. By implementing these solutions, the organization can enhance its system maintenance program, improve operational efficiency, and advance its performance. The solutions will help to minimize downtime, reduce maintenance costs, and improve overall equipment reliability and availability.